quite as large at Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, but I call it small but mighty, right? Maybe 30 seconds on just to make sure everyone in the audience knows what that is, what you all do, and then, of course, what you've been doing over the last year.
Sure. Thanks for asking, Luke. And I agree with you. FDIC is small but mighty and very important. So if you guys, just for those of you who don't know what the FDIC is, if you go and just like walk around town and go to a bank, right? Any bank, your bank, you will probably see a little logo on the window of the bank. And they may even have a plaque that says that they're FDIC insured. So the FDIC is an organization that is devoted to lending to the financial stability of, our financial system and the banking system. And so we do a series of things. We insure banks, right, up to $250,000 an account. And if for any reason the bank fails that's insured, depositors can basically claim up to the $250,000. And so if you guys remember it's the holidays, right? So you're going to be watching It's a Wonderful Life with Jimmy Stewart. And there's always that scene, right, where, there's the savings and loan and the bank examiner comes and, they're trying to like close the books and show that the bank examiner, like that they're okay. Well, so that bank examiner is exactly like what FDIC does. We have bank examiners that we insure the funds. So there's no run on the bank like there was in It's a Wonderful Life. People don't have to like put all their money in their mattress, right? It can be in the bank and it'll be safe. So we insure, first of all. And then we go around and we have bank examiners along with bank examiners in the States. And we go and we just check periodically to make sure that everything's working fine. We check on kind of what we call safety and soundness, which is just kind of how the bank is managed and looking at their books and stuff like that, and their loan portfolios, all that. And then we also have a compliance part of examinations that's looking at laws to ensure the bank is following the laws that they're supposed to follow to protect consumers and, and just ensure that there is a level playing field. So we are very heavily involved in the Community Reinvestment Act, like ensuring compliance with that, along with other laws. So there's basically safety and soundness examinations as well as compliance examinations. And then if for any reason a bank fails, we are very lucky that we haven't had a ton of those in recent years. But if it does happen, the FDIC is the entity in the federal government who will go in and work to what we call resolve and receive the bank. So we'll go in and basically see if there's another bank or another financial institution that's interested in buying the assets of the bank and taking over the business. And the last resort is that if that doesn't happen, the FDIC will take over the bank. And ensure that, all claims and, the deposits are treated in accordance with our laws and policy. And it's a great agency. It really is. So it shines in times of crisis. And we don't like to have crises very often, but they happen. And so we're that stopgap. So it is an important agency. I am super proud of the work we've done over the last year and more. One of the things that I'll tout is that for the second year in a row, our team has actually achieved FSMA maturity level of 4, which means that we're measured and managed. And that was a big accomplishment for us. So last year and this year, our IG rated us 4 out of 5. And, in 2017, I believe we were rated at a level 2. So that didn't happen by magic,
Right,
it happened through the hard work, right?